Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV, showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdraw requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar hold, outside bar go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the Pine Tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, Apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Side bar break, execute it. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine Tree Trader, yeah, we built on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah, we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
on a mission. The market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name.
Tony Gold in the house. What's up, Tony Gold? Yeezus, Kelly Kaufman. What is up? Where's everyone? Did everyone like Smash? What's up, Real Robot? Did everyone get caboose today? They taking the night off or what? What's up? What's up? Hey, Jay Styles, Cajun in the house. Hawkeye, what's up? Did great in London, didn't trade all day. My favorite kind of day? Absolutely. Yeah, I didn't trade half the day. After stream, I stopped trading. Oh, what else we got? Magic Trader, what's going on? Fun day. Did you guys do a lot of trading today? What's going on, Yeezus? Ronaldo is the GOAT. Tony Gold says. That was funny. So yeah, a good day here on Take Profit Trader once again. 275 times 5, so we'll take it. 275 times 5. Just absolutely been crushing and destroying these daily payouts. Three trades for me, 4R. Nice. What does the market pick back? What? What does the market pick back? Oh, does the market pick back up in September? I think it was pretty volatile today. I mean, not super volatile, but yeah, I mean, I guess it did kind of put in a weak little range after that first move this morning. So yeah, you kind of get a good point. No, I think we're just waiting on a lot of, but yeah, back to school, usually it'll pick back up. But yeah, I mean, I think just we got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, and there's a bunch of Fed stuff coming out, I think Thursday and Friday. So yo, it's Mo, bro. Rashad, what's going on? What's up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Giving away a 50K Lucid Pro account tonight. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Hey, what's up, Astro Trader? What was the trade? Lots of trades. Lots of trades. Scalping micros. Lots of trades scalping the old micros. But here they are. Nice little push down. Just before the open there. End up getting a little lucky on this one. Got myself out of a bad one here with the old micros. That was nice. Kind of DCA'd for the win there. But yeah. Just $200 times 5 accounts. That's all I'm really looking for. This was on My Funny Futures TV this morning. Some of these trades. Little pre-market action. Let's take a look at these old stats. See if we can pull up this month, if it'll work. That wick was crazy, yeah. What's up, iTrades? Beats a day job? Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Sometimes this doesn't work. I don't understand why it doesn't work. Yeah, it's not working. But yeah, I've just been crushing these daily payout accounts. So, you know, I traded them super aggressively to get them over the buffer. I actually still have an extra account just dormant. And all I'm really looking for is $200 a day. So if I can get that, then I just go in and I lock myself out. So times 5, that's, you know, that's a bag. That's $1,000. And just been taking those payouts every single day. Lucid, I ended up red on Lucid. This account, I was up pretty nice. Ended up getting tired of trading, and after a stream, I was actually up after stream this morning, right around 389, $400. And the goal was to push it up over 1,000. Ended up down what, $600. So I got 583 left to draw down left on this account. This is fine. I mean, $65 account. Just took a payout on Lucid yesterday on this account. So let's see if I can recover a little bit of this. We'll see. If not, that's fine. But yeah, just a good day. Really solid. Try a different account. Well, that's today. Let's go. Yeah, it's working on that one. Up 4,873. There we go. 6,481 on this one. This is for the month. You can see the nice equity curve here. This one I had pushed a button a little bit on with the minis. So what I do is I lock myself out of 4 accounts. So all these accounts, if you go to this one, this is up about 4 or 5 grand this month. This one's up about 4.5 grand. This one's up 4,600, and this one's up 4,800. And you see all nice equity curves here. So we're sitting right around 70-75%, and win rate, yeah, all right around 70-75, and average winning trades, average losing trades, almost 2R really. And I'm just not really using stop losses. I just don't believe in them. I just haven't really been using the stop losses. That's why the win percentage is pretty high. But I just been hopping in micros, baby size. I'm talking 1 micro, 2 micros, and kind of just letting it sling around, trying to pick a direction and letting it go. And just trying not to oversize, just trying to give myself lots of room to trade. Doing a little DCA action, but being really, really patient. Just hopefully I don't get a trend, like Miss Trend Surfer. Hopefully I don't get... I end up catching the trend, or they're on the wrong side of the trend. It might be cabooshed, but yeah, we've been paying ourselves quite handsomely. It's been working out really good. I trade to smash that like button. Design knob. Just it takes a bit sometimes. Yeah. Is that once you hit the buffer, like go heavy until the base hits? Yes. So I mean, I pretty much just go in 1, 2, 3 minis until I'm over the buffer, because to me, that's essentially step 2 of an evaluation. It doesn't mean anything to me until I'm over that $2,000. That's kind of how I look at it psychologically. And even though it's a pro account, it doesn't mean anything. You can't take money out until I'm over that $2 grand. So once I'm over that $2 grand, then I slowed right down. I'm looking for the key is I got 5 accounts that I'm trading, and I'm copy trading them all right there with the code Pine. And then I'm just looking for 200, 100, 200, 300 bucks. That's it. And to me, that's $1,000 a day. So if I can withdraw that every single day, that's a beautiful thing. So this has been the game plan. It's a little bit different than what I used to do, where I would send them, but every time I got 5 accounts, I'd end up blowing the accounts, or I could never seem to hold on to 5. And so I've also been utilizing the lockout button like a mad person. So like this lockout button has been just saves the day. As soon as I get, so here's what I did today. Actually, I'm gonna get 30 seconds for the market opens. Lock these accounts so I don't trade them. I want to take that payout. But today I felt it a little bit upset with my Lucid trade, because being on stream and stuff, I couldn't really trade it the way I wanted to this morning. And yeah, I was just a little disappointed, because I should have been up really good on the account, and being distracted trying to stream and do the round table and all that, just kind of no gap to trade. It might be one there, but it's so tiny. I can't even, I guess there is a little tiny gap. So yeah, on this account, I end up getting cabooshed pretty bad. And then so I ended up, it's not much of a gap there. It's just a little tiny one. I don't really like this trade very much, but I'm willing to risk it just because on this account, I'm really trying to get that buffer up, or trying to get it back to at least break even. If this account goes dead, that's fine too. See if we can run that 80s down there. Sorry, I was a little distracted with the market open. Anyways, so what I was saying is that I was a little bit upset, and I could feel myself being upset over this Lucid account. So what I did is I went right in, and I ended up locking myself out. There, this is a nice trade there. Up 356 on this Lucid funded here. So almost back to break even, almost got my drawdown back. That's a nice thing. Filled that gap. It was very, very tiny. You could barely see it, but it was there. And so anyways, I went in and I ended up locking myself out on those accounts. And so that way I didn't feel like I was tilting. And then once I locked myself out of those accounts, I really didn't feel like trading anymore. So I left and stopped trading today. So I just settled with the 274 times 5 accounts, which is it should be like, with commissions, it should be right around $1,000. Hey, what's up, Bear Trader in the house? OMH, yo, Corey 2S. Yeah, so locked in that nice little trade. Thank you, Miss Trend Surfer. W's in the chat. Elon just followed NVIDIA. Yeah, so NVIDIA is very interesting. I guess it's been down for the last 7 days. Terry was saying on My Fun Future stream. So pre-earnings. Earnings is tomorrow after market close. It's been down. I think today it was up around 2%, but I kind of wish I would have took this. I'm gonna look for a 150 on this account too. YM pushing down a bit. Nasdaq pushing higher. I'm gonna try a long here. We'll look for 160. It'll get this account. This is the account we just took the payout on. I'm looking for more flips. See if we can take out that high there. Come on. Kind of looking at this area up here that we could come back and fill some of this, repair some of the structure up here, but I don't really know what's gonna happen here. Just give me the high here. I can lock in that 150. Come on. Market just went dead here. Typical. This was gold up to. Guess we're getting a little pullback. What's gold up to? Gold trying to push. Let's see. Come on. Come on. DCA for the win here. Come on, hold. It's gonna put in an M pattern here, double top. Kind of feels like it, don't it? All right, 29,298. Give me 302. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Come on, don't you want to go up and test those 320s up in here? Don't you want to do it? $295s. I'm in 2 minis. This Lucid funded. Come on. Little inside bar here. Give me a little more. Testing at 300. I need 302.25. There it is. All right, so locked in my days traded on that. 168. We'll lock that account out. So up 356 on this one. 168 on this one. We'll lock that up. See, we're going for the second payout on this one, so I need 3 more days. So yeah, we'll lock that one. And we'll trade this one more. Still got to make some money on this one. What's up, Miss K in the house? How was your day, Pine? I saw you 10 minutes beyond the morning. My funny futures just lurked. Great day. So another $1,000+ payout today. We'll take it. 274 times 5, or 275 times 5 ish, and locked them all up. So daily payouts, can't really beat it. I don't want to trade anything else. I gotta be honest with you guys. That's all I want to trade is daily payout accounts. Pay myself every day. it's like an addiction. For sure. He followed NVIDIA because OpenAI says its jalapeno chip outperformed NVIDIA's Blackwall. Oh, really? What's up? That's crazy. Ad Scalper, what's going on? CI director, emergency meeting in a secret military jet. Oh, interesting. So we got some news coming out. This is when the worldwide news usually comes. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. That's right, Big Mike. You know. One of my favorite Biggie songs. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. All right, just chopping around here. What's up, Miss K? Having traded 5 days can be exhausting versus trading daily accounts. I know, it's just, I mean, daily accounts is not easy to get them up over the buffer, but once you're there, and here's the big advantage. What's up, Alfred, by the way? Hey, what's up, Coach Fred? Positive addiction because you're making money, not spending it. Yeah, I haven't spent crap lately. I bought this $65 account, this Lucid, and that's the only account I have bought in the last weekend, at least a week and a half, a week and a few days, 2 days. It's been this account right here, and I'm just working on that. I just don't feel the need to buy a bunch of accounts because I'm just paying myself every day with these accounts. And you know, if you like the other day, I made $60 or $70 each on those accounts. That's still a nice payout. I think it was like 65 bucks a piece. And so let's say 50, let's just say it was 250 bucks, $250 in a day. Pretty sweet. Trading. I used to dream, guys, I used to dream of making $100 a day. I said, if I could only make $100 a day trading, you know, back in 2021 or so, I'd fantasize about it. I'd be like, man, if I could only make $100 a day, $100 a day. And yeah, I mean, it's possible with those accounts. It's just not easy, right? It's results not typical, but it's one of the things that I've just been focusing on the most. And then you know, while I'm trading those accounts, working on these Lucid Flex accounts, trading them 5 days, like Alfred says, still a pretty sweet deal. I will say that 5 days is pretty nice, but yeah. Linda NQ, what's going on? Blasting out some Cactus Jack. Burn my rapid, but passed the builder today. Oh, let's go, Coach Fred. Yeah, I think you'll like that builder. That's the thing I like about the builder plans is that you can take the do the day one pass, which is sweet. I want to trade Lucid hard because their live program is legit. Yeah, so that's the thing. Helpful is that the tip is if you think you're gonna go live with pretty much any firm, to try to do it with 5 accounts. So what I need to do is if I get a payout on this Lucid Flex, then I really should pick up some more accounts and try to get them passed, and then see what I can do. And if I get 5 accounts with Lucid, it's pretty sweet. Bill Snick, that's what's going on. No, Biggie, not Diddy, Biggie. Is my fantasy making $100 a day? Sadly, this has been a bad week. Yeah, it's not easy to get there, but the difference between these accounts is what I've been doing differently than what I've ever done is, for one, the lockout button, which is a lifesaver. I'm telling you. I never thought I would use it as much as I do, but now here's the thing. I will say that I have not. Last Friday I traded my way out of a red day, so I pretty much forced a green day. So I did trade my way out. Thankfully, I was using micros still, but man, I was like slinging micros around, DCAing like a mad person, and I did get myself out of a bind. So I did save those accounts, but yeah, really, it's just been trading those micros, not being too greedy. And then once like today, what I've been doing lately is if I get 4 accounts to around $200, then I'll lock out those 4 accounts, and then I'll just trade the 1 and sling that one around with minis or larger size to see if I can make more money. And the only reason I've been doing that is because I have a spare account, past account, just sitting there in my dashboard. So, but yeah. TBT 25K or 50Ks? I like the 50Ks, but the 25Ks are not bad too. I like those as well. Frick, what's going on? Is Lucid better than Take Profit Trader? My opinion, no, but it's 2 different. If you're going for daily payout accounts, then Take Profit Trader is better. Take Profit Trader, the only accounts that they have is daily payout accounts. Lucid has a bunch of other accounts. Lucid, in my opinion, I like the flex accounts. Those are my favorite accounts for Lucid. But 25K is nothing wrong with 25Ks either. It's just I like a little more room to trade. You can see I'm trading a 25K on this account right here. Kind of looking like a bull flag, don't it? Are we gonna break up through and keep going, or is it just gonna be really slow tonight? We've already made a little bit of money. Hey, what's up, RW in the house? Lucid is really good at marketing. Lucid is really good at marketing. Yes, Lucid is awesome. They are a great firm for sure. My Funny Futures, guys, no more rebills. So that's pretty sweet. So no more rebills with My Funny Futures. And that's effective to the new accounts, not to your old accounts. So if you have any that you need to cancel. Hey, what's up, Jose? Do I take the watching on my night shifts? Nice. Welcome, by the way. Get to work, but don't be watching me. Get to work. No, I'm just kidding. I like to take breaks of inside outside bars. It's kind of one of the things that I do enjoy taking. And so I don't look at certain levels really. I just take it wherever wherever it is. I like to look for combo trades. So combo trades like this, the inside outside bar, these are the ones I really like to take here. So when you have an inside outside bar, then I look for the breaks. So I'd go short here, stop goes above, that kind of stuff. That's, if I see those trades, that's what I like to take on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. The 5 minute is where it pays really well sometimes, but the stops are usually much wider. So same thing, inside outside bar, take the long off the outside bar. That's something I like to take. The other thing I like to take are harami candles. So like when we make a wick, top or bottom. So let's say we make a new high on the 5, something like this, where we make a new high, session high. Actually not that. Anyways, if we make a new high or a low, then I take these purple candles and take the breaks of those. On the 2 minute chart, I like to just take the breaks of them, whether or not they make a high or a low. I don't really care. I like to look for little scalps off these. I actually took this trade on stream, not that trade. Where was it? I took this trade on stream this morning. We had a harami and then put in another harami, and I ended up taking a nice little push up through there for a nice little scalp. You know, 40 points, 40 to 60, that's 20 points. I'm looking for 10, 15 points usually. 20 points, not looking for much. The only way I end up looking for a lot of points is if I have a level that I think might be taken out. Like this untested wick down here, this crazy buy up 140. So if I went short down and through here, this is going to be the level I'm looking for. See if it runs this, kind of repair that area. But yeah. But besides that, it's bull flags, bear flags, things like that. Looking for the gap fills, like the trade we took earlier. Was just the gap fill. We opened up. This is the trade I've been taking pretty much every single night lately, is we open up with any type of open gap where you can literally see it on the chart, where this was, you had about a 1 or 2 tick open gap, and I ended up just going short into the open gap there. And we're pushing down to test that area now, testing the open. Boy, yeah, on YM, it really made me mad. I ended up going short on stream, and we had this giant red candle here on YM. I ended up going in short. I like to trade these, the first 5 minute candle with YM. I like looking for whether if it's super bullish or super bearish, and then I just kind of go with that first 5 minute candle. I don't wait for the breaks. I just go with it. So if it's red, I go short. If it's green, I go long. And I ended up going short. The trade worked out beautifully. Pushed all the way down on this candle right here. Pushed all the way down to 523, and my take profit was 522. And it reversed on me, and then I moved my stop to break even. And got stopped out break even, and then it ended up going. So that was something that kind of sent me a little bit tilty. Not tilty, but just I was upset on stream. I was like, damn it, because I was trading this this Lucid count actually. And you can actually see it. Yeah, you can see it right here. So I went short right here, which was not a great fill. And it pushed all the way down. My take profit was here. It came back, took me out for break even. Took me out, popped back up a little bit, and then rolled back over. It's like, you got to be kidding me. Oh. Yeah, it was really frustrating. Who else we got in the chat? We got Britt Martin in the house. What's going on, Britt? Roots and Giggles. Adam Baker. Who else we got? Who else we got? Do I take them all? No, I don't. I'm looking for just a few. I'm looking for profit targets usually lately. So I'm looking for whatever I need to make, whether it's consistency rule or on these funded accounts. I'm just looking for a couple $100 times 5 accounts. No, I don't sit there and trade all day. I try not to trade at all. My favorite thing to do is not trade. So I just like to try to take my money and run. Adam Daz in the house. Is that an indicator? How do you set? Oh, these? Yeah, these are. This is so in my bio, I have a PayPal. You can send me $99.99, and you can get these indicators here. No, these are free in the community indicators. That joke never gets old, by the way. LDT inside outside bars. It's a free indicator that paints the outside engulfing candles and the inside candles, inside bars. And this purple candle is called the Ed of the Woods Harami, which is also in the community indicators. And it was made by one of our community members, one of our pine cones. Ended up making this for us. And you can find it right in the community indicators down here. And that's these purple candles. And then as far as the black and gray is, that's what I got. Yes, and a lot of I think trades raise GT, that's for sure. The market has been a bitch and I'm doubting my strategy. I'm in the cycle of doom. Yeah, I mean, it's just, it's one of those deals like you just saw me take what, 2-3 trades already this, and none of them were based off the outside inside bars. So during the Globex, they just don't work very well. During it, I need a little more volatility. I need a little more market volume for them to start to work at all. And like I've always said, it's just a base. I'm someone that doesn't really like totally buy into like being so systematic that I believe the market moves in ebbs and flows, right? So you kind of just got to go with what the market's trying to do and then utilize the props to your advantage, whether it's rotating accounts around, things like that. And then like once you're up over those buffers, for me lately, it's just been trading super small. Like I've gotten away with a lot of bad trades by trading tiny. So like literally starting off with 1 micro times 5 accounts. So 5 here, and trying to, Terry Trades calls it a probe trade. So like trying to get a probe trade in and then just kind of get the feel of like what's going on. One of my strengths is I do believe is kind of like reading the tape. So that's why I have the DOM here. I like the DOM because it gives me a good sense of like how the market's moving and like how fast it's moving. And yeah, so I don't get so stuck on like, oh, I have to take but if I see it like in a combo trade on a 5-minute chart during the New York, or then yeah, you best believe that if I'm on the screens, I'm going to take it. That's why I have a split screen right now, because I used to just have the 5-minute chart up, and then I started trading off the 2-minute for the My Funded Futures stream just so I could get in some quicker scalps. And then but I had the 5-minute off, so what I did is I go split screen so I could watch the 5-minute. That way if I see an inside outside bar combo trade, then I can take it. I just love the 5-minute the inside outside engulfing candle trade, because if you think about it as like a pressure cooker, and I used to take just inside bars, but then so often I'd get trapped. So this would be me here. I would see this inside bar, would break the low of this candle, and I would go short, and then it would reverse on me and come back and put in this engulfing outside candle. And oftentimes I'd stop myself out, and then I'd flip the switch and end up going long, and then end up making the money I lost and maybe a little bit more. So instead of just taking the inside bars, I just decided, well, I'm just going to take the combo trades. So I started looking for those combo trades, and they don't happen very often. You can see this one happened at the end of the day, but that was it. There was no other combo except at the market open. But so often the first 5-minute candle is going to be an outside candle anyway. So I kind of disregard that a little bit. I have back tested, like trying to take the break of that. It doesn't, I couldn't really find anything that worked too well. But yeah, so you can see it right here. There was a nice little trade off that. Actually, you would have lost on that probably. Here's one here. Nice one. Here's another one. Stop always goes on the opposite side, so stop would have went below there. 150s, nice one. So it's a pretty sweet little setup. It's just nice to keep it simple, because at the end of the day, it's kind of about your risk management and like what you're doing on the accounts. Like if you're over leveraged on a 25K account, if you're in 1 mini, 2 minis, then you're gonna crush your account. All it's gonna take is one losing trade, and you're gonna have losing trades. I mean, what I lose 3 out of every 10 usually trades, so at a minimum. And so if you're over leveraged, then you'll blow that account. And I do like to send my accounts. I mean, you guys see I send my Lucid accounts right here. I'm trying to get this one built up today. If I catch a nice one, I want to get this built up to over 1,000 today, if not more. So I want to get this up to 25K. That's the goal. And utilize the end of day drawdown. But yeah, I feel like I'm talking a lot. Aloha, what's up? Hey, what's up, P-Long? Testing the water, sticking your toe in the pool. I do the same. Yeah, Alfred, it's a little bit different than the way I usually trade, but I don't feel as rushed because I'm already at that payout buffer. And I mean, you know, it's like when you make that withdrawal at the end of the day, it goes right into your wallet, and it's nice. Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. The advantage of Atlantic Down Under. My Fund Future Pro account better than the Rapid end of day in any aspect. I think the Pro account's pretty sweet. The Pro account you can build up. Someone in our chat yesterday just took out a 30K payout in the Pro. So it is difficult at Land Down Under because you have to trade it. You don't have to trade it for 14 days, but you can only take the payout every 14 days. But it's one of the only accounts that you can take a massive payout. So let's just say you had 5 accounts with the Pro. You can, and I'm talking My Fund Futures Pro, not Take Profit Trader Pro, My Fund Futures Pro. But let's just say you had 5 accounts with them, then you know you can potentially take out up to 100K in payouts with it. So it's pretty sweet. But one of the advantages that I like with the, what's up, Yeezus Bull Flag? Yeah, I don't know. The volume is just toast. I can just feel like the volume just died. Let me just answer these questions. The outside bar must close above the Wix too. I count the Wix too, Jose. Probing my toe in the water. Do TBD Pro accounts have a minimum payout withdrawal amount, or is anything above the buffer? So you can withdraw anything out. What is the minimum payout out of your wallet? I think it's 150 or 250. So let's just say you made $20 in your Take Profit Trader account. you can withdraw it into your virtual wallet in Take Profit Trader. Now, the amount that you can take out of your virtual wallet, I think it's either 150 or 250 or something like that. But yeah, you can withdraw. So that, anyways, that brings me to my point, Brian. This is a good point. This is why I like Take Profit Trader daily payout accounts better than every other account, because like you saw the other day, I made $60 times those 5 accounts. And if I was trading with anyone else, here it is right here. If I was trading with anyone else, I wouldn't have been able to make that withdrawal. But instead, I withdrew that money and then put that right into my wallet. So that's the advantage. Everyone else is, you know, a minimum of $250 per account or $500 per account, something like that. Take Profit Trader, it's like if you're over $2,000, you can take that withdrawal. So and then when it's in your wallet, like Coach Fred says, you can buy new accounts with it or whatever you want. But Tom, you waiting for Tokyo? I don't blame you. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. What's up, Barreto? What's going on? Am I saying that right? La Barreto? Barreto. Devil in the house. What's up? How much do I normally withdraw? 50% of the account balance? No, I withdraw anything above 2,000. So anything above 2,000, I withdraw. That's the edge for TPT? Yes, that is exactly. That is the edge. 100%. I am from the great state of Maine, Brandon. Here comes the bots. Hey, it's Jeff A. What's up? Hey, what's up, Investors? How much cash do I take to the casino when I go? 500 bucks usually. So I eat a lot of lobster, Glenn. Yeah, as much as I can. Not a lot, but in the summertime I do. Maybe 3, 4, 5 times a week. Well, a week, sorry, a year. Hey, thank you, Jose. Yeah, volume. Look at this. It's starting to wedge here. Something's gonna happen. Maybe. What's the best thing about being Pine today? Best thing about being Pine today is that I woke up. I streamed for an hour and a half. I traded during that time. So I streamed for an hour and a half this morning, and then just had the freedom to do whatever I wanted after that. So I just went on a bike ride today. I went to breakfast, and matter of fact, I forgot to post that pic. But yeah, I went to breakfast this morning after stream, and sat down, had a really nice restaurant breakfast spot that has the best coffee. I drink decaf, but it has the best coffee. It's so good. And had breakfast, came back to the house, and then I went on a bike ride for about an hour and a half. And then I went to the lake and had about a half a glass of wine and a local hot dog, which was delicious. All beef local hot dog. And then I'm right here with you. Pretty boring, but for me, it's a lot of freedom. Just kind of do what I want. So, yeah. That's what I did today. Dragon Links or no slots? Dad trading? Yeah, I'm big into slots. I like slots. My favorite game is Huff and Puff. I do like the Huff and Puff. Hot Pots. I like playing Hot Pots, but I've had the biggest payouts on Huff and Puff. The most hand pays. Thank you, RW. Hey, what's up, J Loves? You went to the Waffle House? Nice. I've only been to the Waffle House once. All right, we're kind of breaking out of this. Man, I went short there. Kind of missed that. Are we gonna take out the low? Where's the first 5-minute candle here? So we've taken out the low. I don't know. Could take out the low. Pyman, what's my favorite prop firm? Take Profit Trader, without a doubt. And I work for My Funny Futures, but Take Profit Trader. I know intraday trailing drawdown. I know people hate it, but I told you the edge. I just got done explaining the edge with trading these Take Profit Trader accounts that I personally like. If you're someone that is looking for a little bit more money, so say more than $250, $500 a day, then I would probably look into Tradeify or My Funny Futures end of day accounts, Rapids. Those are great too. But yeah, TPT. I work for Funded Trader. No, I work for My Funded Futures. So I stream for My Funded Futures in the morning. So My Funded Futures TV. I'll throw the link in the chat. You can come hang out every single morning. So I get paid a salary to stream over there. I would never thought in my life I'd ever get paid to host a show on YouTube. Never in my life. Guys, I wouldn't even pick up the telephone when I was younger. I was definitely afraid of like answering the phone or calling. Here's a link to My Funny Futures. Yeah, I'm one of the hosts over there. All right, are we gonna take out this low? But yeah, that's the link to My Funny Futures TV. I stream there every single morning from 9 to 10:30. You can see I'm right here. See? There I am. Right here. That's me. That's the AI version of me, which really doesn't look like me at all, but all right, we're testing that low here. I think we might take that out. I'm regretting not taking that combo trade now that it broke out of that consolidation. So heading lower. Do I chase this or what? I'm gonna chase it a little bit. Why not? I think we go down to 75s. Just try to get a little scalp here. We might get kabooshed, but it's all right. One thing about these 25Ks is that you can't, you only can trade one mini. I say only, that's all you really need. But if you're trying to get yourself out of the hole, like currently we're up 335 today on it, but see if we can repair this 2-minute structure down here. Top of the hour coming up in, well, actually 22 minutes. Just gonna look for a little scalp if I can get it. Chasing the low here. This could be a bad mistake. This is what happened to me this morning on stream. I tried to chase that low and I got beat up bad. Might want to put in a double bottom. Oh, this market put you to sleep. I almost can't take it. How slow this is. All right, come on back down here. Nice little gap here on the 2-minute chart. Open gap. Coach Fred's probably trying to scalp into this right now for a few points. Whoa, look at that. That was nasty. It's not going to scare me out. I'm only down about 5 points. We'll hold on to it. Big order block at 29,400. Oh, interesting, Gilbert. Yeah. Well, hopefully it doesn't. I mean, it might try to go for that. Punch protection with this? Yeah. I think we come back down. I think this is a little fake. We'll see, though. There's just no volume. I mean, the volume is just horrendous. How long have I been trading? I started trading futures in 2021. Yeah, that's when I started trading futures. Besides that, I was swing trading stocks and things prior to that, but while I was working for the post office, I would do this, some swing trading. But yeah, I started actively day trading futures in 21. Do a slot run. These videos are getting traction as well. I know. I thought about it. I just don't know about mixing. We filled that gap down there. I don't know. I don't know about this trade, to be honest with you. But yeah, I don't know about mixing, because what I've always read is like when you start a YouTube channel, you want to stick with the same topic. So every video you do, you want to stick with it. So I always keep it trading related, but Dad trading stocks. You watch the guy named Casino Nomad? The guy that lives in hotels, gambling. What's up, Spaces? Ethan? Think I've seen him yet? Yeah. I was just watching them again today. Yeah, this guy right here. He tries to live off comps. All right, can we get this little push down here? $20 points like pulling teeth. It is really bad. I wonder what the ATR is on the 2 minute. It is probably 6 points. I think maybe if we fall through that 80s, we'll get a little bit of a waterfall. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. And I'm not even looking for much, just like 5-6 points. So I'm just kind of thinking if we could come down and test repair this gap on the 2 minute. I just had a craving for a BLT. I don't know why. Maybe I just had a craving for some bacon. I could go without the BLT. I could go without the L and the T and the bread and the cheese. I just want the bacon. What's up, Tim Korth? Going short for 271. Nice. Stuck on like a 10-point gap, slow market. It is, yeah. I might just scrap it. I don't know. It's just a coin flip right now. 100% coin flip to me. Let's take a look at gold. What's gold doing? Is it moving at all? Gold might be a better play. Gold looking bullish and trendy right now. Kind of if I can get back in, get a little pullback in on gold. I might scrap this and then try to just ride the trend on gold here. If I can get a little pullback into the 28s. Guys, I'm going to scrap this trade, I think. And then try to get in on a little gold pullback. You know, as soon as I exit this trade, it's just going to... See, I almost pushed the button. This is, watch, as soon as I exit, it's going to drop through that low. Patience, patience, patience. You know what's crazy? My little brother and sister are going back to school tomorrow. So back to school for the kids in my area, which is, it seems really early. I don't know what it is, but it seems super early. Usually I thought they'd go after Labor Day, but Is this an eval? No. Funded. Someone wake me up when it hits 271. Yeah. Where you live, school started last week. Wow. In Georgia, kids have been in school for 3 weeks. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Mark Hammond, San Diego went to school August 11th. And poor kids. Your school's, wow, everyone's, so I thought it was early. Maybe, I don't know. I don't have kids, so. But I have a little brother and sister that's, well, man, what are they, 13 now, 14? 12, 13, something like that. Wow, Ethan, that's such a long day. 7:30 to 2:40. Kindergarten. Yeah. School sucks. I don't have very good memories of school. I hated school. I like playing sports. That was my thing. I like playing soccer, but I didn't, and basketball and lacrosse, but besides that, I hated school. It was all a blur to me. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't take it. Top of the hour in about 5 minutes. All right, I'm out. I can't take it. All right, still up 318 on this account. So locked in 318 on that. Funded right there. 168 on this funded. And we took a we're taking a beautiful 275 out of 5 take profit trader accounts today. Locking in another bag. I cannot take it. I am going to look for another trade here on gold probably. I'm going to look for a gold trade. And I'm going to go in with 1 mini. I'm going to look for a little pullback, maybe top of the hour, see if I can get in. And I'm going to look for right around that 28 area, I think, to get in on a little pullback, try to ride this trend. Oops, wrong account. I'm like, what? What's happening? So let's see if we get a little pullback here on top of the hour. And then I'm going to try to hop in and then ride it up. Hopefully the gold doesn't want to reverse. But if you look at the pattern tonight, we opened up and we've just been trending higher. I think this would be a nice little spot to try to hop in and risk a little. And then look for a nice little move. 205 people watching. Guys, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Let's get us YouTube featured again. I love it when I'm YouTube featured. Just way too slow, Nate. Yeah, way too slow. Ready for this fall cold, stomach bugs. Yeah, I know. That is true. That is tis the season for the illnesses. And that's usually when I get sick. Hopefully I don't, knock on wood. Exclamation point Pine if you want to join the giveaway. We will do a giveaway here before the end of the stream. Lucid 50K Pro I'm giving away. One lucky winner. All right, I got top of the hour here. Don't really expect much, but I'd love to get in on this gold rally. Not a bad move on gold tonight. If you caught that, With one mini, that's $1,000. If you know, maybe went long after that 5-minute ORB break, it's about $1,000. There goes NASDAQ popping up here. 2 minutes. $30 points this hour. Isn't that just insane? Thanks guys for hanging out even though the market sucks. Appreciate it. Knight Rider, thank you so much for the sub, guys. Headed towards 10,000 subscribers. How amazing is that? Thank you so much for the support. Feel pretty awesome that I have a couple hundred people watching tonight, considering I used to have 0 people watching me for a long time, for months. So I appreciate that. It's funny, my little short that I made for last night is gone viral on Instagram. A little bit viral, not super viral. Viral for me, considering I don't get many views. All right, top of the hour, just a beautiful equity curve on the subscriber count. So I really appreciate everyone that's been hanging in there since we started back in 2024. Wow, time flies, huh? Just grinding higher, just nice, beautiful equity curve up and to the right, all organically, you know, not buying any fake subscriber counts, just letting it grow organically. This is what I want. My thing was always like, when I started this channel, I wanted to be real with you guys and not try to act and just be myself. And also I wanted everyone to be here to be real and to just be yourself. And that was the main thing with the channel. So just let it grow organically. If people don't want to be here, that's perfectly fine. If they want to be here, then great. I'm having an organic right now. Let's go. Did Maverick increase the prices or just me? I have no idea, True. Did they? All right, can we get in on this gold pullback here? Come on, give me the loot. Get me in here. Come on. Come on. I don't want to overpay for this. Hopefully the gold doesn't want to roll over here. Come on, get me in. All right, we're in. We're tagged in. Ooh, I forget how over leveraged gold can be. Let's go. Let's go for it. Trend don't stop now. For all you trend followers, let's go. Man, gold is over leveraged. This is why people don't like gold. And I know why. It's because 10 bucks a tick. All right, we're in it. Nice pop up to this pine line up here would be great. Imagine silver now, that is one wild beast. Yeah, so silver, I messed around with silver for a little bit when everyone was talking about it, but yeah, it's crazy. I took it right off my chart. I ended up blowing so many accounts trying to trade silver. I was just like, oh no, it's no bueno. I just took it right off my charts. You gotta give Trump a call and see if he can put out a tweet. I don't blame you. Digging the tunes? Thanks, Dave. Yeah, we're pretty limited on what I can play. Followed since the beginning, but my original channel got canceled as soon as I started posting trading content. Oh, digital nukes. Nice. Appreciate that. Yeah, you guys been around a while. You blew your account, some counts on silver? Yeah. Silver is wild. All right, I'm gonna look for a nice move here on gold. I don't see a reason to hop out. Could take $100 right now, but this funded, I really would like to get up above 26,000 today. It's kind of the goal. It's my favorite jam of the night right here. Pay me what I'm owed. Silver's better on me on my body than on my charts. Remember Silver's golden run? Yeah. Everyone was talking about the silver for a while. I'm at 27.5. Yeah, I think you, Kenny, you trade a lot of gold, don't you? Seems to be look at NASDAQ. It finally broke that low. Gold's moving a little slow as well, but trying to be patient with the gold, but have I traded? No, I haven't, Doug's. Have not. Now NASDAQ's moving and gold's not. What's going on here? Now I'm like, oh, I should have just stuck with my short. But hey, I don't know what's gonna happen. No one knows. I just had a hunch that we might come down and repair that area, but which we just did. Man, I just could not take that slow action. Gold's getting just a little pullback off that high. Hopefully it doesn't try to do too much of a leg down. Just a little pullback's fine, and then put in a little bull flag, take out the high. I'll be fine with me. Traded junior one time, 1 mini, 2 seconds later, I was up 900, immediately closed. Oh, silver, yeah. Is this long full port time on NQ? I don't know. I mean, it's possible we just pop right back into this range. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. I mean, I'm full port right now on gold. Trade let to call into call res and then sell. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just looking to try to trade the trend here. What, new hour, getting a little pullback. Got 150 on the gold. I miss when minis used to have more room to move, and now you can pull accounts fast. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I just been trading the micros on those tape profit trader fundeds for the most part. Once I hit my $200 or more, then I'll sling around a mini on one of the accounts. But yeah, just it's nice around the New York Open, catching some of those nice moves with the micros. Don't really feel like I need to trade that. I mean, some days I wish I'd make like $1,000 on each one of those accounts. That would be nice, but it's all about just trying to find some consistency right now for me. Just finding consistency, staying content, not spending money on those accounts, not trying to pass a bunch of evals because I just hate passing evals, and just, you know, going from there. All right, it's enough of a pullback here, gold. New hour, new half hour, just gonna roll back over. After doing the zombie crawl for the last 30 minutes, or for the last hour, I should say. Zombie crawl to the upside. Yesterday, 47.55 GC was the call res. I don't even know what call res is, to be honest with you. I don't even know what that is. I'm loving the low VIX ATR. Makes my style of trading stress-free, the most part. Yeah. Oh, resistance? Oh, okay. Oh, gold. Don't do me like that. Taking away my profits. Currently break even on today with this move. The 30-minute candle today has been the smallest 30-minute I've ever seen printed. Option calls. Oh, okay. Target 269. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah, Nasdaq is moving down. All right, I'd love to see gold hold here. If it doesn't, then the next spot's going to be down here at that 720s. I have about 528 left in drawdown. Currently negative $44 on this account. DCA time on gold. I can't. I know that's the problem. I should have went in with the micros, scaled in. Yeah, I can't DCA on this. I can only trade one mini. But yeah, gold I've always found tough. Well, Nasdaq too. I've always found tough to just. I'm not really a pullback trader. I'm not someone that tries to get in on pullbacks or anything like that. So you might be asking like, why did I do it with gold? Well, I just thought maybe we'd just keep following this trend up. But I'm more of a breakout trader with Nasdaq. So trying to get in on pullbacks and things, I'm always the worst at. And I always think that, yeah, if you are trying to get in the pullbacks, it is best to just kind of scalp into a range or dollar cost average into that range that you want to buy at or sell at, instead of just going in with all at once. It's very, very tough to get in on a pullback and be a sniper at it and saying, yeah, this is the price exactly we're going to get into. And then it just bounces right off your level. Sometimes it does, but those are always the best ones when you get in and there's no drawdown whatsoever. Those are always the best. Market's like pulling teeth right now. 25K is tight for minis for sure. Yeah, I'm not looking to hold on to this account very long. I'm looking to just try to get over the payout threshold as fast as possible. So this is not one of those accounts where I want to like hold on for months or anything like that. This is one to just try to like get myself paid as fast as possible. Hopefully in 5 days. That's usually the goal, but right now it's not working out so well. Took an L on it today. Got about $578 left in drawdown. Maybe gold will find some support here. Hey, what's up, Barretto? What's going on? You finally off from work? Nice. Yeah, I'm looking at long gold at pre-18 DCA for it. Yeah. Try to catch the break out of the pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just not the best gold trader for sure. Captain Rex. I like trading the retrace continuation, getting into pullbacks. Yeah. So we're right at break even on this account. Giving back that first trade on NASDAQ. Hope the market gives you some opportunities. Yeah, it's dead right now, so take your time getting home. I think, and you got about 45 minutes before you get anything good. Well, gold, it's not looking like it wants to hold here. It looks like it wants to push down to the 20s. I don't know. Oof. Currently, you're down about $94, $488 left in drawdown. GC does like to do some extreme pullbacks in the evening sometimes. Yeah. I mean, the pattern's kind of still sticking. It's just poor entry, you know. In hindsight, I was kind of thinking, well, but I mean, you know, a little pullback, another leg higher, another pullback, another leg higher. That's kind of what I'm hopefully that's gonna happen. Hopefully I don't run out of drawdown before it happens. But moving your target to 264, nice. Ugh. Sitting in drawdown when the market's not moving is such a pain in the ass. How many contracts does TPT allow? On gold, 5 minis, 50 micros? I believe so, Tech Review. I think so. I think it's 6. So 6 minis and 60 micros, I believe. Do I trade a lot off intuition and feel? Yeah, I would say. What's up, Genius? Genie in the house. I hate global backs open lately. Yeah, I've been loving the open for Nasdaq. I've been scalping that open like crazy, but after that is, yeah, I could go without. It's painful. 6 minis, yeah. Thank you guys. I know for a while when gold and silver was going crazy, some firm limited them. Yeah, I think everyone's back to full size with the metals. What's up, Tris? Hey, Barefoot Greenback in the house. 3 to 4 weeks ago, I feel Globex Open was good. Then like the whole first hour, but last week now it's first minute and then dead. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it's been doing. Hey, what's up, Vanessa in the house? Yeah, My Funded Futures 50% off. Pretty good. Yes, guys, 50% off. Use code PINE. I appreciate the support. You still get your points and everything when you use code PINE. You don't have to use code CLUB. That's like using the house code, and that's guaranteed failure rate. So what I've heard on the prop streets. But when you use code PINE, very, very lucky. So code PINE, My Funded Futures, appreciate that. I don't blame you when you use those coupons, of course, but if you pick it up in the account, code PINE. This is gonna drive me to death here. Down 144 now. This account's been doomed since the beginning, I swear. Closing out. I don't want to sit through it no more. 436 left in drawdown. That's 20 NQ points. Tried. Gave back what I was up. So down 150. Down 150 on that one. Up 168 on this one. But yeah, gold failed me. Probably going to pull back down here to the 720s right here, if I had to guess. So I don't think I have the room to get down there. Might try another long down in here. Nasdaq's rolling over as well. Look at Nasdaq falling. You son of a gun. Be up so nicely. It's just so tough. It just comes out of nowhere. I'm gonna try to get in a gold long here. Try to bounce at that 720.5. If we can tag it. Come on, get me in. All right, I'm long gold. Got about $400 left in drawdown, so could be cooked, but that's fine. We will live. See if we can get that little reaction there. Hey, what's up, Adrian in the house? Jen Marco, what's going on? David Investor, what's happening? What's going on? What's going on? Hope everyone had a good day. I had a marvelous day. Look at this little pop on the old NASDAQ. All right, new 5-minute candle here. Gold just doesn't want to bounce here. Trying to catch that. Damn it, gold. Next stop down here, 714s probably. I don't have the room. Oh, yeah. Gold rips the faces off. Oh, for sure. Yeah, it's over leveraged for sure. What's up, Sparta in the house? Great day for me. Didn't take a single trade. It's a good day. Smash that like button. Yeah, thank you guys. Escalation and envy. Yeah, digital nukes. There's some weird stuff coming out. That's for sure. I didn't see a chat from Gold earlier. Yeah. And you know it's NQ is dumping because you cut you short. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, now I'm at risking losing this account. Hopefully Gold wants to catch a bid right here. We just repaired that on the 5. But but definitely could pull down in here into this 414s. Gold's been so bullish. You've been holding a short on the MNQ since 6:30. It finally played out. Nice. You broke up with Gold GC before the summer. Too toxic. Yeah. I don't know what possessed me. I think because NASDAQ wasn't moving at all. And then I saw this nice little trend up on gold. So I'm like, well, let me try to hop in on that trend. I'm still trying to hop in on it. It's just got a hold. I just don't have enough room on the account. And I'm in minis. What's up, Point? A gold wants your accounts, not your love. That's for sure. After a big day, it often do a lot of correction in the evening hours. It's probably what it's trying to do. It just started off really well. $184 left. Drawdown. It's not a lot. Need the bottom of the hour to save me here. A little spike up to reprice this would be good. It's not looking great. 30 seconds. Gold. I mean, NASDAQ on a little bit of a free fall. Eating back at that power hour. Been killing with the daily account, sticking the micros? Yes. Yep. Playing the micros. 275 times 5 accounts today. Yeah, so once I'm over the buffer, Pena, I've just been playing with those micros. Giving myself lots of room, slinging them around, taking profits, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. $20 here and there, stopping myself out at like 50 bucks, 60 bucks, stuff like that. But yeah, just been slinging those around. It's really all the accounts I really want to trade. Is those daily payouts, you know. All right, looks like this account is toast. It was doomed from the beginning. Going back to the 50Ks. Tried this 25K Lucid Flex. Worst part I was up $700 on it today. And then ended up going red. I tried to get it up over the payout buffer. But didn't happen. I'll show you. Yeah, so I was up almost $900 on the account and kept trying to get it up over that 1,000. Account's cooked. And I just cooked it. Whee! No bueno. No bueno. Oh, thanks, Pena. Yeah. 209 next level of the session. So yeah, I got cooked on gold. Kept trying to buy these little pullback here and got clipped. Well, it's all right. 65 bucks. We'll live. Knew that ATR during New York is so bad in August. Yeah, I mean, I just during the New York Open, just kind of slinging them around, and like I said, I haven't really been using stops with these take profit traders. I just kind of manually exit my positions, and just going and doing that. Look, you're gonna look at this. Gold gonna pop up here. It's gonna take my account, and then, like Alfred said, it wants my account. It doesn't want my love, and it's just gonna pop up here. Son of a. Oh well. Brandon in the house. What's up? Short target on NQ. I am currently flat. I was short, and I'm currently flat. Don't rub it in, Pop Stop. I'm just kidding. I had a beautiful short, and then I closed it out, and then it dropped, and then I decided to try to long gold, and then cooked it. But I locked in another trading day on this account, which is good. We just took a payout out of it, and trying to get a second payout. I'll probably pick up some more Lucid accounts here. Trade those. What's the Discord link? Sure. Pop it in there. Discord link. Pine Tree Trader. And let's see. Invite to server. There you go. It's in the chat there. There's a Discord link. It's free to join if you want to join in. Keep blowing those 25k evals as much as I want to believe I can get a profit for a drawdown. Yeah, I'm not a big yeah, Pop Stop. Just joking. Yeah, I'm not I don't know. 50Ks is my sweet spot for sure. Hey, what's up, Tommy C? Started changing strategy, EMA 920 VWAP, and they're giving me more wins. Let's go, Catholic Saints and Angels. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. So I'm a big preacher. Like, it doesn't really matter what strategy you trade. It's just you got to find one that fits your personality and that you get excited about to trade and wait for over and over and over again. And trade that edge. Most of the time, you're going to find that your edges are going to be either you're trading a negative. Let's just say you have you're under a 1R, then you're going to have a high percentage win rate. If you're right around a 1R, so 1-to-1, then you can have a nice like 55, 60, 70%. That's usually that sweet spot. Where I trade the best, it's sitting right around 1R, right around 70%. Like these accounts right here. If you take a look, so it's kind of about finding that edge that fits your personality and like what you want to trade. But like these accounts right here, these are the ones I've been trading the best, right? Because I've been getting daily payouts every single day on them for, I don't even know, since 8/14, so 10 days. And yeah. So it's whatever edge you find that gets you excited and that you want to trade it, because there's lots of ways to make money in this market. Lots and lots of ways. There's no one set way. There's many different ways. So find that one that you like and you can stick with, and repeat, rinse and repeat every single day. It's very boring. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Just keep doing it over and over and over again. Don't try to be a hero. Don't try to be right or wrong, or thinking that you have to go for 100-point trades or anything of that nonsense. Just stick with that. Take that money, take that payout, take the max payouts too. Not financial advice, right? This is the stuff I like to do, but like just take those max payouts and take those payouts, put it into your real bank account. I always say like these prop firms, like I never recommend like treating it like a bank. Like you don't want to run up like a bunch of Apex accounts or something like that. Just like take those payouts, put it in your real bank account, and pay your bills or pay your whatever you want with it. Put it in an investment account. But yeah. But nice. I'm glad you found a strategy that's working for you. Take the max because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Yeah, that's for sure, right? You never know. All right, we're going to do a giveaway pretty soon here. In about 5-6 minutes, I think. Yeah, for sure, Traders YM. Yep. The 1,000 equity trades in June alone. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? But yeah, trying to contend with calling it a day with $300 instead of looking at ES. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to do. So like with TPT, do I hold trades when you're building a buffer on TPT funded? No, I'm going in like not max size, but I'm usually in like 1 to 3 minis usually, and I'm looking for the momentum during the New York Open. So I'm just like trying to pick a side, whether it's bullish or bearish, and then I just go with it. So I look for a Harami, or maybe just seeing how the market is reacting off the 5-minute ORB. If it's really ripping, then I'll just try to hop in and then try to scalp and adding into those winning trades. If I have a gap or something that I'm looking for, pop stop, or an equal high, or something that should be repriced and run on NQ, then I like to add into that aggressively and then try to scalp. And then once I hit $2,000 on day, usually do it on day one, or like I do it on day one or below the account. I'll just be honest with you guys. And then once I hit 2,000, then I stop. I immediately hit exit, and then I look for a different trade. I try to size down a little bit from the 2-3 minis, and then I'll just look for a daily payout at that point. And so with these accounts for the last 10 days, I got them all over the buffer, right? And I had a bunch of accounts, right? I had a few evals. I think I started with like 7 or 8 evals. I still have 1. I ended up passing 5, and I still have 1 that's sitting dormant. And then I failed probably 3 or 4 of them when I really put my head down and was trying to pass these. And then once I got up over the buffer, I just been using micros to trade these accounts. Usually starting with like 1 or 2 micros. And then I just been chipping away at it, looking for, I think if you look at my average win, it's probably not that high. If I had to guess, it's probably under $100. Yeah, average winning trade right here, $70. So yeah, I'm not really looking for a whole lot. I had one big trade, 685, which was probably when I passed the accounts. But these have been my average trades right here. So I was around $70. Average losing trade right around $50. So we're around a 1-to-1. And then so I've just been slinging around those micros. And then this is what I've been doing. So once my goal is to make $1,000 a day on the account. So 5 times 200 ish, and to take out, and that's $1,000. So my goal is to hit $200. So once I hit $200, then what I've been doing is I've been going in and I've been locking out the accounts. So I've been locking them out for the day. And then, so I lock out 4 of them and then I leave one. So I leave one if I'm really feeling it for the day. I'm just gonna lock them out just in case I want to take the payout. I don't want to take the any trades. And I just leave one and I sling that one around to see if I can push the button with the minis. So I'll push a button with the minis to see if I can capitalize on some good movement and see if I can make a little more. But I just on one account. I lock out all the other ones. I've been protecting them like babies. So I'm really not looking for so say 2-3 micros, $50, you know. I'm still looking for my 10, 15, 20 points usually, but nothing really more than that generally. But with micros it is nice, you can kind of hold through. Sometimes I'll just stick with a mini, or I have a mini and then I'll let it run. I was going to show you an example. So like this is what I've been doing. I didn't do it today, but so see, I like got over that $200 mark, and then I took one account and I just sling that one around a little bit. See if, so this was a $1,480 payout, and then these 260, 268, 268, 268, all daily payouts. But it's nice to get that a little bit of a bigger one every once in a while. So that's what I've been doing. Birdie, how do you connect them all to trade? How do you copy trade? Oh, it's good questions. Yeah, so how do you copy trade the accounts? You just do this. You go down to manage groups. So you go to manage groups, and then you type in, you name the group. So what you got to do is you got to name it code Pine. That's step 1. So you name it code Pine. That's, if you name it anything else, it won't work. So code Pine, and then you have your accounts over here like this. It says available. You slide them over. Boom, boom. So you slide them all over, and then you hit save. So you save that, and then you go up to here, and then you go down to code Pine, which is the group name. And then if you want to copy trade the accounts, you have to multiply how many accounts you have. So let's just say I want to copy trade these 5 accounts. You want to be on one of the accounts that you're going to copy trade. And then let's just say I want to trade 2 micros per account. So I want to trade 2 micros per account. I would have to go 10. So that would be 2 micros times 5 is 10. If you want to trade 3, you would have to go 15. If you want to just trade 1, you go 5. And then make sure you're on the group, and then just hit the button. Now you can't use brackets, so you can't use these brackets down here. That's the downfall of copy trading. So you have to manually put in your stops and all that good stuff. Where do I think MGC is going? I have no idea. I can't trade gold to save my life. Obviously it didn't bounce, so that's good. I feel like this is just a little pullback maybe before Tokyo, but we'll see. It could retrace down in here, repair some of this. If I had to guess, I would say it might pop here for the Tokyo Open, but I'm not sure. Guys, let's do a giveaway. I don't have any accounts to trade right now, so that's why I'm just been doing a lot of rambling. I blew the account that I was trading tonight, and I don't feel like buying one at the moment because I'm feeling like I don't want to buy an account. I'll buy an account for tomorrow morning to trade on stream for my funded futures, but we took out right around 12. We're gonna take out right around $1,000 for today for a daily payout, and so I'll probably reinvest in another $100 account tomorrow. But right now, I'm just feeling like, that 25K just was doomed from the beginning. Just couldn't get anything going with it. All right, let's see, where are we at? All right, we're gonna do a shotgun here to freshen up the chat. Exclamation point pine in the chat. You guys know the deal. Get it in. Exclamation point pine. The gold absolutely destroyed me. I'm feeling FOMO because we were in short, and look at the market. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We get to 220. Let's see. You guys are cranking. We get to about 200 something. I'm going to stop it. Get it in real quick. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Giving away a Lucid 50K Pro account tonight. All right, closing entries. All right, close. They're closed. Sorry, hit the wrong button there. All right. Who's ready for a moose race? Let's do it. Just getting this set up here. Rest in peace, Dolly Parton. R.I.P. Dolly Parton. Yeah, crazy, right? The woman. I was getting my hot dog down at the lake, and the woman. I'm not really laughing, but that was a nervous laugh. But yeah, she was very upset. She just the guy in front of me was like saying, "Oh yeah, Dolly Parton just died," and the woman got very upset. Apparently she was a big fan. I don't know. All right, guys, good luck. Shuffling the characters one more time. One more time. Let's go. Good luck. Here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tokyo reversal, probably. We got JLB in the house. We got price action playbook. Bull Pathfinder trying to take that lead. I see Yo Jim up in here. Wick Hunters. Dean Bishop. Run, 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 run. Let's go. Izzy Lizzy in the house. Izzy Lizzy is sweet talking the Mises. Come on, who's it gonna be? This is for a 50K Lucid Pro account. We got Offrey in the lead right now. Can they hold that lead? Kelvin pushing up through. 18 seconds. Wow. Are they going to hold the lead here for 5 seconds? No. Falling off. Who is this? Oh, no way. Let's go. Donna H, long time follower. Congratulations. Donna H in the house. Winning that account. Let's go. Long time follower. Appreciate that. Let's go. Congratulations, Donna. Donna, are you in the Discord by chance? Apple coming in 4th. Trade Rampage 2nd. Futures Academy 3rd. Trading on Tilt 5th. Let's see who finished last. HR and OMH in last place. Both OMH is a member. HR used to be a member. I don't know if they are now, but see, you got everyone thinks that the members get an advantage. Well, this proves otherwise. OMH and HR bringing up the rear. Oh shoot! I just clicked it off, Britt. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just clicked it off just as I saw your message. Yeah, so HR is a member still. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, 2 members bringing up the rear. So that just proves otherwise. So Donna, you're not. Okay, just send me an email, Donna. Yeah, I can imagine the kids loves watching those moose races. They're a lot of fun. So what's up? What's up, Britt's son? What's going on? Let's see. Donna, send me an email, pinetreetrader207@gmail.com. Just give me a screenshot of your YouTube so that way I know it's you. So just give me a little screenshot of your channel. Something like this, just so I know it's you. And then I'll send you the code. So your daughter starts saying never lucky. Yeah, he loves the moose. Moose are awesome. Well, tomorrow, Britt, if your son is watching tomorrow, let's see. Is he still watching now? Which race does he want? Should I do tomorrow? We got the ducks. We got the horse races. We got the dog races. We got all these here. This is the race I'm going to do tomorrow. Which one does he want me to do? We get the spiders, pandas, the fireflies, the koala races. We got the ginger, we got the Christmas themed ones. I think I've done pretty much all of these. I don't think I've done these ones. They're a lot of fun. He wants to do the dog race tomorrow? All right, we'll do the dog race tomorrow. For Britt's son. That'll be a lot of fun. So, guys, I will be right back here tomorrow night, tomorrow evening. We'll hang out. Yeah, boy, the stream started out. I started off really well. I was up right around $400 on this account. on NASDAQ on that little scalp play. Locked in another 150-day, traded on this, but then ended up losing it on gold. Tried to buy a few of these dips, did not pay out, and obviously didn't use proper risk management. But overall, it was a great day. Got some daily payouts today, so just been crushing the daily payouts. Hopefully we can keep that on a roll. I'm gonna wait here in hopefully Take Profit Trader updates it usually updates just after my stream, so right around 8:30 at night. I usually get something to eat, and then right around 8:30 their update. So I'll take the payouts out of that, and then I'll probably start trading these accounts. Hopefully we get another daily payout tomorrow as well. So I wouldn't be, I'm kind of hoping to go live with Take Profit Trader because I want the 90-10 split. That'll be sweet, but that's all right. We'll trade it. We're just focusing on good trading. We're not trying to go live with them or anything like that. We're just focusing on good trading. So all right, guys, that's gonna call it for me. I am done tonight. I am not gonna trade anymore until I take the Take Profit Trader payouts, and then I'm gonna buy some more, probably some more Lucid accounts or something like that, and Lucid Flex. But appreciate everyone using code PINE. If you're picking up any accounts, help support this channel. That's the reason why I'm here every single night, is because of you guys using my code Apex Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, PINE with a capital P. So Trade Day, PINE with a capital P. I would trade with them more if I wasn't on cooldown with them. And then Buellanox, PINE 45 if you want those new accounts. PINE 45. The other accounts are just PINE. So PINE 45 if you want those new Buellanox accounts, which I gotta look into more. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks. Oh, wait, Kingdom, I have a question. TPT, they say no activation fee, but when you pass it, ask for action, please. Is this always like this? No, it's probably a glitch unless it was like an account that you, unless it was a free account, Kingdom Operations. This should be 0 activation fee with Take Profit Trader. There could be a glitch. Don't pay the activation fee. Try to reach out to the support or something like that if you use someone's code, especially mine or anything like that. As long as if you got the discount, use someone's code, there should be no activation fee unless you're using one of your own credits or something like that. All right. Yeah, don't pay it. For sure. Sometimes it glitches. I don't know why. Sometimes it glitches. There should be a credit down there. Look at that market pushing down here. Son of a gun. I'm having so much FOMO, I'm shutting the screens off. All right, guys. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good day. Peace.
Pine Tree Trader in the building.
Later.
We
Good
talking
luck.
price action, we talking freedom.
Get them daily payouts.
From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, Take Profit Trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV. Funded Futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, Take Profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. sleep. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring.